Let's make some delicious pizza rolls into the air fryer. This recipe will be ready before you know it. And I've got here a tin of peeled plum tomatoes and I'm simply gonna crush them with a fork. Now, tortilla wraps. We're getting some sliced mozzarella, or you can grate it. 2-3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, mozzarella. And I've got here some homemade basil pesto. If you wanna know the recipe, I'm gonna add it at the end. Now, few teaspoons, but you can also go with fresh basil, or you could add other ingredients like ham, mushrooms, as you would do on a regular pizza. Now let's wrap everything together. And what we wanna do now is slice these and get them into the air fryer basket, but get some baking paper underneath because it will get messy. Now this is going into the air fryer for about 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, or until the cheese gets nice and golden brown in color. Now if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to know how to make that basil pesto, check this recipe right here, and I'll see you in the next one.